This is Officer Travel Fund, badge number 69. We're downtown here on King Street to see if we can find any bad girls. All right, let's see what we can get up to. All right, we're just here at Earl's on King Street West, and they actually have Corona in draft. And it's not every day, of course, here in Canada that you get to try Corona in the draft. So I am having a Corona in the draft. Cheers, guys. More, yes? Oh, yeah.
I usually have 6 ounce, and I always do it with the 140 ounce.
Good memory. I got the owner of that place. That's what you were saying he was. Very cool, but I have a good memory. Yeah. He's does that, and I would like the other guy walked by. Probably that $2,700. Jeff, you had 100,000 points, bro.
This guy's going on a missionary, man.
That, and it's not being rude. Bro, you can't tell me anything I haven't already told you. He's going to expect
Do you know about that app, Seeking?
What?
Seeking arrangements?
Oh, yeah.
No.
It's an app like Tinder, but it's basically for girls.
So you got,
I got a party boat, guys.
Yeah, nice.
But it's like a Tinder and
Yeah,
for
look at yours.
for a sugar daddy.
Yeah. Oh, that looks
fucking
there we go. Doing it up front. Oh yeah. DJ Blitz. Yeah, so good to see everybody in the chat. We are definitely live. All right, we're here at Earl's on King Street, having a wonderful time. Big ups, and look at this mask. We got the mask here. Oh my God. It's only getting better here, man, on King Street. Cheers, guys. All right.
Vegas, buddy. All right. Matthew, so scary. You can't win a championship.
Oh, damn, candy. Someone take some candy. Thank you, man. I'm okay, I'm okay. I don't need candy, but it's good. Thank you, sir. That's actually smart. Good, man. Thank you. Happy Halloween, man. Oh, damn. Sexy buddies.
What are you gonna do?
Sexy buddies. Sexy buddies. Oh, my God.
Holy fuck. It's 2 good twins.
Always put a 5 before a 4, man. Remember that. Now,
Oh, Rich!
Hey, yo, always put a 5 before a 4, man. Remember that. You only get into before we dead and die. That's it, guys. I respect that, but I'd rather be behind.
No worries.
Dora the Explorer! It's Dora the Explorer!